Hi all. I want to do a video on Microsoft Power BI. That's Microsoft's program for business intelligence. Before we get started, let's go out to the web and just check out a few pictures. See, if we go to search engine, do a search for Power BI. Then if we click the images button, it shows us some pictures of what we can do with Power BI. Just click on a few random things here. You can see here they're showing what it looks like on a tablet. What Power BI does is it takes your data and you use your data to create these areas of the report. When you see the Power BI logo, it usually has these bars on it, and what that's kind of representing is like a bar chart. Okay, so here's Microsoft's website for Power BI. We'll just glance through the page here. At the top, there's this button that says Get Started Free. Click that button, and you can see we can download it here. There's two ways that you can use Power BI. You can download it and install it on your computer, or you can use it in the cloud. You can use it inside of a web page. For these videos, we're going to use the desktop version. So I'll click to download, and it throws up the download pop-up box. It's the 64-bit. I'm going to click save, and it's going into my folder, my business intelligence folder. It's a small application, so it won't take long to download. 107 megabytes. You can sign in if you want, but it's not necessary. Okay, the download's almost done. It took about 5 minutes. Okay, so we could just click this guy here and it would open it up. But I have the folder open here. So here's the item that was downloaded. To install Power BI, just double click that. And it runs the installer. This is the 64-bit version. Click next. Read through the license. Click the I accept. Click next. This is the path to where they want to install it. Usually we don't change that. Click next. Use the checkbox here if you want a shortcut on your desktop, and click install. Now it's just asking if I'm the administrator. Yes. and it installs Power BI. And it's done installing. So you can see it's a pretty small application. If you want it to start up, you can leave that checked. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that so I can show you where it's at. So now if we go to our start button, you can see here it gives us Power BI under the recently added section. Or if we go down to Microsoft, Power BI, it gives us this one guy inside the folder. Now I'm going to go ahead and right click and go pin to my start menu, and then I get this guy here. Then I'm also going to right click and go to more and pin to taskbar. So then I get this guy here. It just makes it faster to start up. Okay, so starting it from your taskbar is one click. Just click that one time and it starts up. Okay, this login page, you can just go ahead and X out of that. We don't need to log in if you don't want to. Okay, so here's Power BI. We have the menus here at the top.